So you may have existing group conversations going on. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to messages, here are some group messages, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on it, and over here, there are some messages maybe, the others are typing just like this. And midway, maybe you want to add in a new group member. So in order to do that, what you can do is go on to the top right here where you can see this icon. So once you click on it, what happens is that you see who are in the group already. So let's say you want to remove someone, you can do that as well, just like this. Remove from group, yes, remove. So that person has been removed out from over there. And now if you want to add people in conversation, click on add people right over here. So I have the person in the list. Or what you can do is you can send an invite through an email so that people join your conversation. So once you click add people, people are added in onto the conversation just like this. So here you can see that it says when I removed someone from the group conversation, we removed someone from the Hangouts, and then over here there's the added notification right over here. And that's how you add and remove people from existing groups inside of Google Hangouts. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.